Guys, so we're back at the Whiskey Blendery, and this is Whiskey TV. We've got 4 finalists. These people made it to the top out of 30 teams?
30 teams, top 4 out of 30.
30 teams applied, 30 teams tried. There are only 4 people that are left before they get killed off and die.
Three get killed off.
3 get killed off here soon. I'm talking just, is it. But these are some more finalists. We'll have Tim break down what he thinks on each one. And mind you, the winner's not been announced, but we've got to say thank you to those people who participated in Battle of the Blends. Definitely supported brothers serving others. Right now, we're just simply nosing a few of them. If you're curious, which one's your favorite, and some of these will be available.
Yeah, as of right now, we got all 4 available in the gift shop. We have a very limited number, something like around 20 bottles of each that we made, because we only have so many components that we can make this, and then whichever one wins, we try to scale that one up, make 100 bottles or whatever we can of it, and sell that one in the gift shop. So we'll find out probably in a couple weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, which one's gonna win. But if you're curious on what the 4 taste like, you're welcome to come by the gift shop this week and try all 4, and we might have something to sell also. But
now, what is it that you look for? But let's go back. What made you start Battle of the Blends?
The competition of it sounded really fun, and then it started to be built out as like a really cool thing, and then it's like, all right, well, we need to add a charity component to this because it's awesome, and I don't want to be the benefactor on it. Let's pick a local charity to be the benefactor. And so yeah, this the 3rd year now that we've done it, and it's gaining speed and momentum, and the teams sell out quicker and quicker every year. This year we always make a little tweak. This year we added the lifelines to where people could hit the buzzer, make an additional donation.
It did cost you.
It did cost you. It benefited the charity even more, almost like a mulligan at the charity golf events, that kind of stuff. So, but yeah, it was a lot of fun, and we got 4 really good whiskeys in the finals. So I'm excited to kind of dive in and see.
Did you put? Was there a wheat barrel in there?
A wheat?
Yeah, wheated barrel. And
there was not.
Man,
there was not. Yeah, we did a video of what the barrels were.
We did. So that video exists in itself.
Yep. Are you smelling wheat on one of them?
You know? I don't know. Wheat's kind of like one of those prominent / it's there, but it's not overbearing. It's got sweet notes to it, but you can taste the bread every now and then.
That one's good.
That's the McKinney one.
Oh yeah, that one's real good. Yeah, that one I think is the front runner. If I had to guess, that one's the front runner.
So if you're part of the McKinney and you see this video, you could be the winner chicken dinner. You got to cook the chicken at 12.
All 4 of them could be, and then we got Jimmy and Ben and Russ and Aaron, their team. So they were the reigning champs. So the odds that the reigning champs made it in.
Battle
hardened. That name.
I didn't even get to try old Mr.
Really?
Gibbs.
Okay.
I never got to try it for myself. What do you think of it, Tim?
I thought it's very good. I don't think it'll be the winner this year. So, but my vote doesn't count.
You didn't think? What would you think about the winner last year? I mean, they won last year, but like,
yeah, I had them at number 2 last year. But what I like, and it's great. The one that I picked first had a little bit more rye spice and a little bit bigger. That one last year was by far the easiest drinking, like very, very mellow, delicious. Bourbon profile, caramels, vanillas, easy. Like it was great. So I can see why it won, and a ton of people loved it.
Sorry, Jimmy. I'm sorry, man. This one right here has got crazy. It's super unique.
It's good.
Yeah.
It doesn't beat that one, in my opinion.
I agree. These 2 are night and day. What would you say is your next one that you would think may give them a leg up?
I don't know. I'll try it.
Now, guys, it's I don't know how these guys do it, to be clear. And we drank, how many barrels did we try when we was in Kentucky? Or did you try? I didn't. Well,
Which
18
time
year.
are we talking?
You found the 18-year.
Oh, it was about 50.
50 barrels. After the third barrel, it all tastes the same to me. 50 barrels in, and you still were able to make good judgment calls. How is that?
Part of it is that I'm spitting the whiskey out, so it doesn't, the alcohol doesn't affect me as much, and I can taste things. Part of it is having a good team. Like, we had a great team out there, and so I personally didn't try 50 of them like us as a whole did. So like, I'm watching Richard's face, and if his eyes don't light up and if he's not getting goosebumps, a lot of times I'll just say, no, I'm good on that one. I don't even need to try it.
Yeah.
And then I watch other people's face, and if they're not lighting up like a Christmas tree, or like wanting to sign the barrel or claim it, or I want bottles out of this, if that's not the reaction, all right, let's move on.
Yeah, gotta move on.
Because we had, as many as we could taste, we could do it. So we were very strict on that. This one's got a good nose. Which one's that?
Bulletproof?
It's good. It's good. To me, this one moves up. This one moves up a little. This one moves back a little. These two are more similar. The sweetness on that one,
Yeah.
in the finish, like it just goes a very long time, and it does what you think it's going to do or what you want it to do. It doesn't change, or it doesn't get bitter. It doesn't fall off fast. Like, it's very good.
Damn. So just think, last year I don't think we did a
Ooh, the nose on that one's good.
which one Tim might pick first.
Yeah, why would I incriminate myself like that? But no, it doesn't. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter. I'm not a tiebreaker. I'm not anything in these. Although I hadn't figured out what we're gonna do if there is a tie on these.
Shit.
I feel like there's not gonna be a tie.
I think it's gonna be pretty straightforward.
This one's got a good nose.
This one right here, very, very good. Super tasty. I'm not even like a flavor like person in the sense. I love the great flavors we find here, but that one's got the most uniqueness so far out of these.
All right. And then this might change as they open up. This might change on a different day. My opinion today: McKinney's #1, Dallas Bourbon Club #2, Bulletproof #3, and Battle Hardened #4. They're all very good, but that's my opinion today. My opinion has been known to change.
All the time, people. Well, that being said, this video's going up today, so you'll get the chance, if you're around the area, to come in and try these whiskeys based on the people who made it to the top 4.
Top 4 is not an easy thing to do.
I wouldn't imagine so. And we got to personally capture some of the people in here operating on the whiskey. Like there was some heavy judging going on. So the judges who are going to judge this whiskey are?
So we've got Wes Henderson, so one of the founders of Angel's Envy. He's got his new brand, True Story. He was just in Little Elm signing bottles too. Andy went and saw him. We've got Brent Elliott, the master distiller at Four Roses. We've got Aaron from Smoke Wagon again, so he's always been a big supporter of this. He's always got the most vibrant tasting notes. So if he doesn't like yours, you will know it. And then who else we got, Andy? We got
Mark
Melissa
Carter from Old Carter and Carter Cellars, and Melissa Riff, the master taster from Old Forester.
Yeah, Melissa Riff. She was a big help last year. She had great notes last year. So master taster at Old Forester.
She literally tastes whiskey for Old Forester before I lived, so
Yep.
pretty cool.
Yep. And then Mark Carter. So yeah, last year I ran into Mark Carter, and he was just a blast to hang out with. And then he helped.
Where was this at?
This was at Justin's House of Bourbon in Louisville on the street. I was just stopping in. That was actually when I was setting up our relationship with Bourbon Outfitters.
Oh shit.
I hadn't set that up yet, so I went in to do a face-to-face just to see, hey, do our personalities aligned? And Mark Carter was in there, and he's like, the whiskey Blendery, what's that? And then so I told him about it, and I was like, he had an old Carter polo on, and I was like, oh shit, you know. And I was like, hey, you know, you wanna try? Or he asked if I had anything that he could try.
Yeah.
So then I brought out the 4 finalists, and so he did the
Right
judging
there.
last year right there at Justin's House of Bourbon, and he's a part of it again this year. So he's a great guy. Great guy.
Just never know where you're gonna land. That's what I keep.
And it's even more like that when you're in Kentucky. It's like everywhere you go, it's like, oh man. And then you meet these lasting relationships that it's a lot of fun.
From what I heard there, what I've learned here is whiskey is the key to a good relationship.
It is easy to start a good relationship with whiskey as the conduit to have people come together, because it's very easy to meet somebody or walk into a random place and then share a whiskey together. Then you just start talking, and then you find out you have stuff in common, and then you realize how small the whiskey world is.
Very much so.
And then it just goes from there. So
Guys, well, again, come in, get you a bottle, try some if you're interested. the winner of the whole thing will be scaled up, probably 100 bottles total available, anywhere from 80 to 100. It's $1.25. 20. How much goes to the charity?
25 goes to charity. So
So $25 goes to the charity.
even on these.
Oh, okay, still.
Yeah.
So everything's for sale. Good luck to the winners, or the winner, whenever it comes out. Stay tuned, people. Keep it whiskey.
You even pointed to that one. You're assuming that it's going to
I know, dude. I'm just.